In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and link an anchor in Wix Studio. This process is a fantastic way to improve navigation on your website, guiding visitors quickly and directly to specific sections you want them to see. Let's dive right in and make your website more user-friendly and efficient. First, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. It's important to have your editor up and running because that's where all the magic happens. Make sure your site is fully loaded. Once you're in, locate the specific element you'd like to set as a destination anchor. This could be anything: a section of your page, perhaps a button, or even an image. Think about the places on your site that are significant or where you expect your visitors might want immediate access, like a Contact Us form or a Services section. Now turn your attention to the Inspector panel on the right side of your editor screen. You'll see various options here, but for what we need today, click on the section labeled Anchor. If you haven't used this feature before, no worries, it's straightforward. In that Anchor section, you'll find a toggle to turn this option on. Go ahead and toggle it on. After that, you'll need to give your anchor a descriptive name. Names are crucial because they help you easily identify what each anchor point directs to. So go for something clear and related, like Services or Contact Form. Next, it's time to think about how visitors will be linked to this anchor. Choose the element that you'd like to use as the link to the anchor you just set up. This could be a button on your page or a menu item. Really, any element that you'd like the user to click on to jump to another part of your page. Once you've selected your linking element, look out for a small icon that resembles a chain link. That's your link icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This brings up the Link To window where you have several options. Here, you'll choose Anchor to ensure it connects properly. Now you'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from there, select the anchor name you previously created. Make sure to double-check that the name matches exactly to the one you set before. And now, an essential step. Click Done to save all the changes you've just made. With these steps, your Wix site is now equipped with well-placed anchors, making navigation smooth and ensuring your visitors find exactly what they're looking for without any hassle. Don't forget to preview your site to see everything in action, ensuring the links lead exactly where they should.